You know that feeling in crypto? That nagging doubt, the whisper of is my crypto really safe? Especially when it comes to hardware wallets, the promise of ultimate security can sometimes feel, well, too good to be true. So, let's talk about ELLIPAL. Is ELLIPAL trustworthy? For anyone serious about self-custody in the volatile world of cryptocurrency, a hardware wallet is practically non-negotiable. But not all hardware wallets are created equal, and that's where ELLIPAL aims to stand out. Their core philosophy revolves around what they call air-gapped security. Imagine your private keys, the digital equivalent of the combination to your safe, completely isolated from any network connection, no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no USB data transfer. That's the ELLIPAL promise. How do they achieve this seemingly magical feat? Through QR codes. When you want to send crypto, the ELLIPAL device generates a QR code representing the unsigned transaction. You then scan this with your phone's ELLIPAL app, which broadcasts the transaction to the network. For receiving, it's the opposite. The app generates a QR, the device scans it to confirm. This constant air-gapped communication significantly reduces the attack surface for hackers. There's no direct digital pathway for malicious actors to exploit. Beyond the air-gapped design, ELLIPAL incorporates several layers of physical security. The Titan and Titan 2.0 models, for example, feature a fully metal-sealed body designed to resist physical tampering. If the device detects any unauthorized attempts to open or disassemble it, a self-destruct mechanism is triggered, wiping all sensitive data. This is a pretty extreme measure, but it speaks volumes about their commitment to physical integrity. And what about the chips themselves? Both the ELLIPAL Titan 2.0 and the newer X card utilize secure element chips, which are essentially specialized, highly secure microcontrollers designed to protect cryptographic keys. The X card, in particular, boasts a common criteria EAL6 Plus certified secure chip. That's a bank-grade level of security, the highest generally seen in consumer hardware. This means your private keys are generated and stored within this isolated chip, never exposed to the outside world. Now, no product is without its considerations. Some users might find the QR code scanning process slightly less convenient than direct USB or Bluetooth connections, especially for frequent transactions. And while ELLIPAL's mobile app is generally user-friendly for managing assets, performing swaps, and even staking, the device itself doesn't have native NFT support directly on the screen, something that might be a factor for certain users. Also, firmware updates, while offline via SD card, require a manual process. However, when you weigh these against the core security features, the uncompromising air-gap design, the robust physical tamper detection, and the high-grade secure elements, ELLIPAL presents a compelling case for trustworthiness. They've been in the market for several years, with their products like the Titan and X card receiving positive reviews for their security focus. Community feedback, while varied as with any product, generally highlights the peace of mind that comes with their offline approach. Ultimately, trustworthy in crypto comes down to understanding the technology and managing your own risks. ELLIPAL has clearly prioritized a security model that minimizes online vulnerabilities and adds strong physical safeguards. If your primary concern is absolute isolation for your digital assets, and you're comfortable with their air-gapped interaction method, then ELLIPAL has built a strong foundation of features designed to earn your trust. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.